On page 5, my mom made a chocolate cake for me on my birthday. I have to carry my umbrella with me because of rain. I just got the mail before.
Number 2, did you read it? Oh yes, so sorry. I just got
the mail from the postman. My dad put some water in the pail before washing the car. On rainy days, I like to play computer games at home. I put the notice on the wall with a tape. On page 6. On clear nights, I see many stars in the sky. Sometimes my baby sister cries when they are hungry. I like to ride my bike or fly my kite in the park on sunny days. My brother